Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Do you want to block explicit results and browse safely? In this video, I will show you how to enable or how to enable SafeSearch filter on Google Chrome. So to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. First thing you have to do is to go to Google Chrome, as you see. So you will enter to Google Chrome. In this first page, you will have these three dots. So you will enter to these three dots here. In this page, you will have this window of settings. So you will go to settings. After that, in this page, you will find privacy and security. So you will enter to privacy and security here. Then in this list, you will scrolling down until you find here safe browsing like this. Then here in this page you will find three options. Here standard protection or enhanced protection or no protection. So to turn on SafeSearch filter, you have to click here on enhanced protection. As you see, real-time AI powered protection against dangerous seeds, downloads and extensions that's based on your browsing data getting sent to Google. So this is the first option, enhanced protection. You will click on it to enable it. Then you will go back to the first page of Google Chrome. You can write here google.com, or you can just refresh your page. So here in this first page you will have settings. So you will click on settings like this, settings. Then in this list you will find here search settings. So you will enter to search like this, search settings here. And after that, in this window you will find this page of search personalization. As you see here, you can turn on this, and then you will go to SafeSearch like this, and you will find here SafeSearch helps you manage explicit content in your search results like sexual activity and graphic violence. So you can click here if you want to blur or filter at all. So you click here on filter to helps filter out explicit images, text and links to make your search more safety. So that's it. This is how you can turn on SafeSearch filter on Google Chrome. If this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying watching this video, so don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.